Hello, Charles Coss. Here is my doorknob. They removed the doors. It was a dining room that had been transformed into a bedroom. And they took down the doors and put up something else, but I always kept these. And my doors were, they had like the wooden frame, and then it was 3 panes of glass. I think there was probably 5, maybe 6. I don't know. This is solid. And I loved it. Let me get it close up here. I loved it so much I kept it. Well, I'm 57. I've had it about 40 years, I guess. Fits right in your hand. Okay.